What looks unmovable is just a challenge waiting for the right machine. Today, we put power to the test. Welcome to X Machines, where steel meets roots. You could feel the tension in that clay-packed hillside. Those roots had gripped the earth for decades. But once that 40-ton class excavator with 25,000 lbf of breakout force locked in, it was game over. Every tooth of that reinforced bucket carved through the root mass like it was wet paper. The Schaef HML 25X delivers 75 horsepower of focused hydraulic fury. Just watch how it dissects the stubborn birch stump without mercy. With an operating weight of 6.5 tons and a max digging force of 42 kN, it's built for tight urban jobs like this. Compact in size, colossal in performance. The Wurzelrate turns brute force into finesse. Mounted on a 5.8-ton excavator, it delivers over 25,000 N of shearing torque, slicing through roots like a scalpel. You don't just pull a stump, you dissect it, layer by layer, leaving the soil undisturbed. The Prentice here is likely packing over 250 HP, hydraulic flow pushing 80 plus GPM, and a cutting drum spinning above 2000 RPM. That means it's not just shredding saplings, it's vaporizing understory like butter. Perfect for road clearing, fire break maintenance, and reclaiming overgrown land. The wind hit hard, and the roots tore right out of the ground like threads from the earth. Then came the chainsaw, tearing through the fallen maple like it was cutting through time itself. 7015 is a beast in its class, boasting a 66 HP turbo diesel hydraulic-driven cutter wheel and up to 14 cutting depth in a single pass. That's industrial-grade precision tearing through one of the densest hardwoods out there. The ferry rotor hydraulic stump cutter transforms any excavator into a root-ripping machine, delivering over 300 bar hydraulic pressure and up to 4,000 Nm torque. It doesn't grind. It splits and lifts entire stumps straight from the soil. The stump exploded upward. The Caterpillar D8R, packing up to 354 HP and over 105,000 lb of drawbar pull, is purpose-built for brutal tasks like stump grubbing. That elevated sprocket design increases ground clearance and delivers maximum torque to the tracks. Exactly what's needed in root-heavy terrain. This John Deere 320D skid steer, with its 66 HP Tier 4 engine and nearly 3,200 lbs of ROC, rated operating capacity, is pushing way above its weight class here. That stump bucket isn't just an attachment. It's a ground-penetrating, root-shredding wedge of steel designed for high leverage and aggressive pry angles. The Vermeer WC2300XL isn't for the faint of heart. With over 600 HP and a feed rate of up to 75 feet per minute, this beast turns hardwood into energy-grade chips like a factory on wheels. The excavator moves with precision, but the chipper rules with brute force. That Duramax LML didn't flinch, just locked in, pulled hard, and ripped that stump right out like a pro. Raw diesel power at its finest. This Windstorm XN10 may weigh under a ton, but it's clawing through root webs like a beast. With 10 HP and 2200 PSI hydraulic force, it digs, lifts, and snaps roots clean. This isn't just pulling a stump, it's a battle between steel and root. The 5-ton harbor freight hoist locks in, chain taut, torque rising with each crank. You can hear the tension scream before the ground finally gives. Hardwood, dry clay, doesn't matter. The rotoress rips through decades-old roots using over 300 HP from the tractor PTO, with cutting torque exceeding 6,000 Nemmers. It drills, shatters, and clears in seconds. When brute force meets surgical precision, you get a whole tree harvester like no other. Packing over 400 HP and a high-torque swing boom, this machine grips, cuts, and stacks in seconds. Now that's one fiery solution. When they used the Ryobi 18V cordless leaf blower, the stump lit up like a giant torch of its own. You can hear the roots scream with every pull of that 12-Wrecker carbide blade. No hydraulics, no winch, just a man, a sawzall, and raw willpower. 3,000 SPM slicing through dense hardwood like it's drywall. That HF600 cone doesn't split logs, it devours them. 18,000 FTLBs of torque twist through hardwood like butter. Mounted on a 12,000 lb excavator, it turns brute strength into ballet. The brush was thick, tangled, and defiant, but the Top Cat forestry mulcher didn't flinch. With 60-plus hydraulic horsepower and a drum spinning at 2,800 RPM, it chewed through saplings and stubborn trunks. Standing beneath a 200-foot giant, there's zero margin for error. With a 90cc Pro Saw and 36-inch bar, it tears through heartwood like concrete. The moment you feed in a twisted log, the fury begins. Armed with a 15 HP gas engine and hardened steel blades spinning at 3,600 RPM, it devours 3-inch branches like they're matchsticks. Logs go in whole, come out halved in seconds. With a 10 HP electric motor spinning the band blade at 1,800 RPM, this beast makes short work of firewood prep. Smooth, fast, relentless, built to dominate the stack. The industrial debarker spins with relentless torque, stripping bark clean at over 1,000 RPM. It's aggressive, loud, and brutally efficient. Thanks for watching the action. Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more raw machine power. Until next time, keep digging deeper.